Xiaomi Mix Flip certified with 67 West charging, price leaks. Xiaomi is working on a Mix Flip clamshell foldable, and the phone just got certified at CCC. The device has a model number 2405 CPX3DC and will support up to 6.7W charging, revealed the listing. Meanwhile, rumors suggest the phone will cost CNY $999, which is about $830, 770 euros. A photo of the phone also popped up online, but leaksters are divided on the image's authenticity. It's more likely that this picture is fabricated, following an earlier schematics of what the Mix Flip might look like. Xiaomi Mix Flip on CQC fan render of Mix Flip. Xiaomi Mix Flip on CQC fan render of Mix Flip. We expect the Mix Flip to have two cameras on the back with OmniVision sensors, a 50MP OV50E for the main shooter with OIS, and a 60MP OV60A with a 2x opticals. The selfie camera on the inside will have a 32MP sensor. The rest of the leaked specs are not really new. We already heard about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a display with a resolution greater than 1080p and a 4900 mAh battery. Surely, the launch is right around the corner, and that's when we'll know if this leaked info is the real deal.